Okay, Original Cranky. I'm going to Walmart with all engines go Carly. Is anything you need anything from the store? I'm just getting kid-friendly movies like Tom and Jerry DVD.
I like some original Lays, pop sister popcorn, original cheeses and yes, baseball bats and balls so we play a game of baseball against all engines go clones and the villains. And yes, I love Tom and Jerry. It's about a grey cat and small brown mouse who became silly and fighting each other with them. It also appears in Space Jam movie.
And I'm also getting Monkey Man DVD.
Absolutely not all engines go Carly. You're not getting Monkey Man DVD because it's rated R. We're getting Tom and Jerry DVD that is rated G and that is final.
Yeah, I agree with Original Carly. Just get Tom and Jerry. No Monkey Man.
Fine, I'll go to Walmart to buy Tom and Jerry DVD.
That's more like it.
Okay, let us go to Walmart.
Here it is, Original Carly, Monkey Man DVD. I want it so bad.
Hey! Absolutely not all engines go Carly. You're not getting Monkey Man DVD. That is not kid-friendly and it's rated R. You're not 17 years old yet.
What? Is this some kind of a joke?
That is not a joke, all engines go Carly.
But Alpha, Neela and Tiger are so funny.
Too bad, so sad, but you can get Tom and Jerry DVD right here. I can get one and we can watch it tonight with Cranky and Salty.
But Original Carly, I want Monkey Man, not Tom and Jerry, and Tom and Jerry is bad.
All engines go Carly. Stop acting like all engines go clones, Imposter 160 and Shadow Rail. You can either get Tom and Jerry, or I will take it home with me. It's your choice.
Don't you dare get that kid-friendly movie, this movie is too childish.
I will get it in 3, 2, 1, okay? I got Tom and Jerry DVD. Let us move on. Now we've got the items including Tom and Jerry DVD. It's time to buy everything. What is this? You brought Monkey Man DVD to check out. That's a rated R movie for adults. Not kid-friendly movie. Put it back.
I'm not putting back, you entitled yellow breath.
Hey, listen to Carly. You need to get Tom and Jerry the movie. Me, Andrew Diesel, Conrad 336, CSX 909 Productions, and Mojave Sub love that movie, and you should get it.
Shut up, Conrail Star 17. I want Monkey Man so bad. Shadow Rail has that movie and so is All Engines Go Diesel.
I don't care if All Just Go Diesel and Shadow have Monkey Man or not.
Who cares? Monkey Man is a kid-friendly movie. And I want that movie so bad. Tom and Jerry is for losers.
Monkey Man is not a kid-friendly movie. It's an adult movie.
I agree with you, Conrail Star 17. Monkey Man is an adult movie, not kid-friendly, so let us go home.
I want Monkey Man. 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 Wah 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 wah.
That's it, all engines go Carly. Let us go home right now. I already buy all my stuff. All engines go Carly. How dare you throw a tantrum at Walmart? You know you want Monkey Man movie so bad, but no, it's rated R. You're not 17 years old yet, and yes, Tom and Jerry is a winner. You're grounded until Conrail 336 CSX 909 Productions reaches 10K subscribers. Go to your room right now. It's movie time, Original Cranky and Original Salty.
This is an original team. We're ready for the movie. Thanks to the Original Carly.
You're welcome, Original Cranky. Tonight we will be watching Tom and Jerry When I Got From Walmart Today. Conrail Star 17, Andrew Diesel, Conrail 336 CSX 909 Productions and Mojave Sub watch that movie.
They sure do, Original Carly. And we all sit back, relax and enjoy Tom and Jerry.
Let us play the movie.